Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to make Google Chrome your default app. So as you can see, I'm using Windows 11 here. So here I have to go to this start button, and once I press this, you can see there is something called settings here. Just press settings, and once it opens up, here on the left side you can see there is something called apps. Just press app, and here you can see there is something called default apps. So press here default apps, and in default app you set a default for a file type or a link type, or set defaults for applications. So this will do. I'll search apps here. Either you can scroll and search, but the easiest way is to search from here. Just type in Google Chrome. As you can see, it has already come here. I'll just press as Google Chrome. Once I do that, you can see make Google Chrome your default browser. So I set it as default by pressing this. So once I do that, this app becomes my default browser. So for example, if I want to test it, then I will take this Excel file. I have already put a hyperlink here. So if I click it, it will open. So let us see in which app it is opening. I have put Google Chrome as my default app. It should open in Google Chrome. Let us see whether it is opening in Google Chrome or Edge or Internet Explorer. So I am clicking here. So once I do that, you can see this has opened in Google Chrome. Here you can see I am hovering my cursor around the Google Chrome icon, and this is the app. So friends, this is how you make Google Chrome your default app by going to settings, by going to Windows, then settings. Once again, I'll show you. In settings, go to apps, then default apps, then go here, Google Chrome, type here, and set it as default. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know of this very important and useful feature, how to set Google Chrome as your default browser. So friends, do subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos. See you again. See you soon with a lot of this kind of videos. Keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.